is Art Ashley with OCRVCenter in Anaheim, California. Hey, we've got a 05 Monaco Cayman here. So we actually got this coach, the customer pulled it out of another shop, and he brought it in for a complete paint job, and they were just butchering the heck out of it. He was really upset with the quality that he was seeing. This guy owns a construction company, so he knows what he's looking at. The guy builds homes for a living. So he brought it to us, and we went over the project and gave him the bad news, but now he's got good news. This coach came out absolutely beautiful. We actually stripped this. This coach is actually an aluminum side coach, riveted on. Kind of different, most coaches are fiberglass sides. But we stripped this to bare aluminum and then re-etched, primered, did all the body work, and now you've got a finished 3-color complete body paint. We painted all the accent pieces, awnings, mirrors, and everything black, the way the customer wanted it. So now he's got a beautiful finished product. He's gonna come pick it up this afternoon. So if you need any help with body, paint, interior remodeling, service work, we're here to help you. Come see us at OCRV Center in Anaheim, California.